Hello, 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 hello. It's Yay, aka MODISHYE. And today I will read an excerpt from my article, How to Use Favoritism to Your Advantage at College and Work in 2023. When navigating various circumstances in life, many believe their skills and hard work will suffice. I beg to differ. There is an added element that is necessary. This element is called favor. Merriam-Webster defines favoritism as the state or fact of being a favorite. This leads to the question, what does favorite mean? It means especially a person who is specially loved, trusted, or provided with favors by someone of high rank or authority. Lastly, what is the definition of favor? It has many definitions. However, the one appropriate for this blog post is friendly regard shown toward another, especially by a superior. Favor is what separates the excellent from the good when the right opportunities present themselves. I do want to preface by saying that I am convinced that God is the source of this favor, but I also suspect that as a source, God can use people, whether they're aware or not, to orchestrate success and impact in your life. However, in this blog post, I want to focus on two main areas, college and work. College. Obtaining a college degree is a collection of completing numerous mundane tasks. These tasks include, but are not limited to, attending office hours to get a more in-depth explanation of the subject matter, responding to classmates' discussion posts, studying for quizzes and exams, and etc. Time management, sacrifice, resilience, are how many survive the grueling 4 years. There is no question that you, as a student, play a key role in your college education success. But is your effort good enough? I don't think so. There are a number of ways that you can be granted favor or considered a favorite by your professors. It is important to understand that this favoritism is subtle, implicit, and faceless. The prerequisite is that you have to demonstrate to your professor, faculty, and others that you aim for excellence and you are committed to accomplishing your educational goals by doing what is required on the syllabus. How to accomplish your educational goals? Do and complete the task your professor asks you to do on time and do them well. The professor has to see that you're trying. Attend office hours and bring questions along. Go to tutoring and read the required reading before class. Ask for extra credits. These are examples of a student's responsibilities. There are many more, of course. How to go from a good to an excellent student. Do a combination of the above. The good student only does what is necessary to get by. The excellent do what is necessary and more. It is important to note that students can perform these tasks and the professor will not budge or see your effort. It is their prerogative, unfortunately. However, if a professor notices your effort to be an excellent student, take note of it. They will be a resource for you in the future. This kind of professor will be able to attest to your abilities when writing recommendation letters for graduate schools, jobs, committees, etc. In some way, the professor trusts that you will serve an organization or someone in some shape or form. When it comes to solving the dilemma of what career path to take, the insight of a professor can be valuable and useful in making a suitable decision. A professor can give you information on how certain classes are better to take in the fall or spring instead of summer due to the workload. The privilege of having an advocate, that is your professor, to advance your academic journey is advantageous to you. This is a result of favoritism. If you enjoyed this section of the article that discussed college, I encourage you to click the link in the description box to read the other section on work. Thank you so much for listening, and I will see you in the next video. See ya!